Well, hi, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. It is another nice day on the way out there. Not quite as cold this morning as what it was yesterday morning. Many of us are still falling into the 30s and 40s, and there's a chill to the air, but certainly not as cold as it was yesterday morning here, as most of us are about 5 to 10 degrees warmer on our way to a fairly sun-filled day today. And the good news is the winds will not be as strong today, only 5 to 10 miles per hour in most cases. They'll be kind of variable, kind of on all kinds of directions depending on where you live. But again, a fairly sun-filled day, maybe a few high clouds later on. Quiet tonight, a few degrees warmer out there for the overnight lows. Most of us will stay in the 40s for lows. And then tomorrow, maybe a few high clouds. Outside of that, though, plenty of sun. A touch breezier, not breezy, but a little bit more wind than today. And temperature-wise, maybe a degree or two cooler. We have a very weak cool front that passes through that may drop temperatures back a little bit, but it'll still be spectacular weather out there. We'll get to that forecast for tomorrow in just a bit. Let's start with today, though. Looking at upper 70s up north. Plenty of sun for today. West winds will turn more southerly at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Out west, upper 70s and lower 80s for highs. Again, these temperatures are good, 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. Mid to upper 70s across the south. Winds will be kind of variable today, kind of just changing all sorts of directions, but they should stay fairly light. About the only place that could claim winds that could be a touch breezy would be down towards the Beatrice areas. Winds could get a little over 10 miles per hour. We're looking at highs mid-70s, so no real big complaints out there. As we look through the next 7 days, again, Wednesday, Thursday, still looking very nice. And notice towards the end of the week, temperatures for lows will also start to warm up a little bit more. Towards Friday, I did contemplate saying breezy or windy. It's kind of on the edge of it. It may be. Some of you would call it a windy day out there, especially in those open areas. A few extra clouds, but still quite warm. Then Friday night, ahead of a cold front, we could see some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Right now, the best chance is looking to be in eastern and northern parts of Nebraska. Saturday, we're going to have a cold front come through, probably a little earlier in the day in the Tri-Cities. And because of that, I only went with a slight chance of showers and storms. It's looking more likely we would see the better chances of rain and thunderstorms form along that frontal boundary farther east in the afternoon hours. So eastern Nebraska, the best chance of rain and thunderstorms with that front. And also winds will pick up out behind that front as well. And in fact, could be kind of similar to what we saw this past Saturday when winds picked up behind a cold front. It will also be a little cooler, highs in the 60s. And in fact, temps may even drop a few degrees by Saturday afternoon. Sunday morning, a little chillier out there compared to Saturday morning. Sunday morning will be down in the lower 40s. In fact, some places will be in the 30s. Should still stay above freezing, though, but then by Sunday afternoon, we're into the upper 60s. A little bit more of a breeze again. And then Sunday night, another cold front comes through. This one does, at least as of right now, look like it should be a dry frontal passage. But it will cool us back a little bit by Monday, back into the lower 60s. And in fact, there are signs that will start to cool things down heading through parts of next week. And the winds do stay strong again on Monday behind that front. So again, not a lot of active weather to talk about. There are those small chances of rain and thunderstorms Friday night and Saturday, but temperatures still looking fantastic and no complaints about today whatsoever. So there is a look at that good-looking forecast. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great Tuesday, and God bless.